Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you a native of Ohio and currently looking for Bird City so that you can listen to bird songs or bird sounds? If you love birds and live in Ohio, then the Birds Ohio Audio CD will be the perfect product for you. This is an audio CD which is prepared by Stan Tekiala and is a great companion to the Birds of Ohio Field Guide. Now you can learn how to identify the birds in the state of Ohio simply by sound. This is a set of two audio CDs that offer highest quality digital recordings and features approximately 120 minutes of bird calls. You can be a pro bird enthusiast by listening to this audio CD and by having the Birds of Ohio Field Guide. This is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, or the library. This item is a must-have for any bird lover, whether young or an adult. Now is the perfect time to get this audio CD. Buy the Birds Ohio Audio CD today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Ohio. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.